garden lovers, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home garden decor and design. Today, we're diving into a fantastic way to elevate the aesthetics and functionality of your outdoor haven, garden fence, planter designs. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. If you've ever looked at a plain fence and thought, there has to be more, then you're in the right place. Let's explore the world of vertical gardening and discover how to transform your fence into a vibrant display of nature's beauty. Let's begin by defining what exactly we mean by garden fence planters design. At its core, this concept refers to the strategic incorporation of containers or structures attached to a garden fence, specifically designed to hold plants. Rather than solely serving as a boundary or enclosure, the fence becomes a vertical canvas for showcasing greenery, flowers, herbs, or even small vegetables. These designs can range from simple individual pots hung at intervals to elaborate multi-tiered systems that create a living wall effect. The essence of garden fence planters design lies in maximizing space, adding visual appeal at eye level, and integrating plant life seamlessly into the existing fence structure. It's about turning a functional element into a decorative and productive feature of your garden. Now, let's delve into the compelling advantages of incorporating garden fence planters into your landscape. Firstly, they are an exceptional space-saving solution, particularly beneficial for smaller gardens, balconies, or patios where ground space is limited. By utilizing vertical space, you can cultivate a diverse range of plants without sacrificing precious square footage. Secondly, fence planters offer a unique opportunity to enhance the visual appeal of your garden. A drab or uninspiring fence can be transformed into a captivating focal point, adding color, texture, and life to your outdoor environment. The elevated display allows for better appreciation of your plant's beauty. Furthermore, these planters can contribute to improved plant health in certain situations. Elevating plants can enhance air circulation around them, potentially reducing the risk of fungal diseases. It can also provide better sunlight exposure depending on the fence's orientation. Another significant benefit is the added layer of privacy that dense foliage from fence planters can offer, creating a more secluded and tranquil garden space. Lastly, for those who enjoy fresh produce, fence planters can be ideal for growing herbs, strawberries, or even compact vegetables, making them easily accessible right outside your door. How do I decorate my garden fence planters designed to look beautiful? Achieving a visually stunning garden fence planter design involves thoughtful consideration and creative execution. To begin, plan your layout. Consider the height and length of your fence, the amount of sunlight it receives, and the mature size and growth habits of the plants you intend to grow. Sketching out your ideas beforehand can be incredibly helpful. Next, choose a cohesive style that complements your overall garden aesthetic. Whether you prefer a rustic, modern cottagecore or minimalist look, ensure your planters and plant choices align with this theme. The selection of planters themselves plays a crucial role. Opt for containers that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also appropriately sized for your chosen plants and durable enough to withstand outdoor conditions. Consider varying the shapes, sizes, and materials of your planters to add visual interest. Plant selection is paramount. Choose plants with varying heights, textures, and colors to create a dynamic and layered display. Consider incorporating trailing plants that cascade beautifully over the edges of the planters. Don't underestimate the power of accessories. Add decorative elements such as small trellises within the planters for climbing plants, wind chimes, or small outdoor art pieces integrated amongst the foliage. Seasonal changes can also be embraced. Rotate plants according to the time of year to maintain continuous color and interest. Consider adding seasonal decorations around your fence planters, such as fairy lights for a cozy evening ambiance or small ornaments during festive periods. Finally, regular maintenance is key to keeping your fence planters looking their best. This includes pruning, watering, and ensuring the planters themselves are clean and in good repair. What are the best materials for garden fence planters design? Selecting the right materials for your garden fence planters is crucial for both their longevity and the health of your plants. Several excellent options are available, each with its own set of advantages and considerations. Wood offers a natural and rustic aesthetic and is relatively easy to work with. However, untreated wood is susceptible to rot and decay, so opting for naturally rot-resistant woods like cedar or redwood, or treating other woods with preservatives is essential. Metal planters, such as those made from galvanized steel or wrought iron, are known for their durability and can offer a sleek, modern, or classic look depending on the design. Ensure they have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Plastic planters are lightweight, affordable, and come in a wide variety of shapes and colors. They are also resistant to rot and moisture damage, but may not be as aesthetically pleasing as other options for some. Terracotta is a classic choice that provides good drainage and a warm, earthy feel. However, terracotta is porous and can crack in freezing temperatures. Composite materials, made from a blend of wood fibers and plastic, offer the look of wood with increased durability and resistance to rot and pests. Finally, repurposed materials, such as old wooden crates, metal buckets, or even sections of guttering, can be transformed into unique and eco-friendly fence planters, adding a touch of personality to your garden. When choosing materials, consider your budget, desired aesthetic, the weight the fence can support, and the climate in your region. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best garden fence planters design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Tiered wooden ladder planter. Attach repurposed wooden ladders to your fence and place potted plants on each step, creating a charming vertical display. This design adds a rustic touch and allows for showcasing plants of different sizes. 2. Hanging metal buckets. Secure colorful metal buckets or pails to the fence using hooks or brackets. These are perfect for displaying vibrant annuals or herbs and offer a touch of vintage charm. Ensure drainage holes are drilled at the bottom. 3. Pallet wood vertical garden. Upcycle a wooden pallet by attaching fabric or plastic liners to create pockets for planting. This is a budget-friendly and customizable option ideal for succulents, herbs, or small flowering plants. 4. Gutter garden. Repurpose sections of vinyl or metal guttering by attaching end caps and mounting them horizontally along your fence. These are lightweight and excellent for growing shallow-rooted plants like lettuce, strawberries, or herbs. 5. Stacked terracotta pots. Create a visually appealing tower by stacking terracotta pots of varying sizes against the fence. Plant cascading flowers or foliage in the upper pots for a dramatic effect. 6. Window box style planters. Install traditional window boxes along the length of your fence. These offer a classic and elegant look and can accommodate a wide variety of flowers and foliage. Ensure they are securely mounted. 7. Macrame plant hangers. Add a bohemian touch by hanging potted plants using macrame hangers attached to the fence posts or horizontal rails. This allows for flexibility in placement and plant selection. 8. Modular grid system. Install a modular grid system made of metal or plastic onto your fence. This allows you to easily attach and rearrange various sizes and shapes of planters, offering endless design possibilities. 9. Living wall panels. Utilize prefabricated living wall panels made of felt or plastic with built-in pockets for plants. These create a lush green tapestry and can significantly enhance privacy. Ten, repurposed shelving units. Secure old shelving units or etagères against your fence to create multiple tiers for displaying potted plants and decorative items. This offers ample space for a diverse plant collection. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the captivating world of garden fence planter designs. We hope these insights and ideas have inspired you to transform your fences into vibrant vertical gardens. Remember, the possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more exciting garden decor tips and inspiration. We love to see your creations, so feel free to share your garden fence planter projects in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!